Hey!
Oh, why is it going on video?
Hi, Tyler.
Fail.
Yes, it
I'm doing this.
is. Alright.
Hey, no. No.
Give me some. Give me some.
Oh, take. Wait, more tape. Shit. Tape. Wait.
What the hell?
You cannot do this.
It's not in the right place.
Wait, give me this.
You have to put it over your nose.
Wait, stay like that.
Tyler, the two dots are your nose.
No.
That's a bird's nose. Don't even look like a bird.
Okay, come on, let's fix it since she's being a bitch.
My eye!
I'm trying. Stop, I'm putting it on now.
Then you put
Take off
the
the mustache.
mustache at the end.
No,
That's what I said. Like right here.
stop.
You hang it off the end. That's a proper bird with mustache.
It's recording.
I want to say.
Wait, watch, let me take a picture.
How are you recording?
It's not sad.
Someone touch beaks. Go like,
Make another beak.
no. Was that a funny face I made?
I'm recording, just so that you know.
Oh.
Wait.
You keep on missing me hitting him.
I can't get the whole shot.
Tyler.
Okay, go.
Don't touch it unless you're gonna peck it. No. She got a stick and I'm afraid. It's called a beak, you retard.
I'm trying to get him to stop. Turn around, Tyler. It was like he's trying to rape you, Demi.
What's with all the genital mutilation going on?
The tape's not
Look, it's a pecker.
That's horrible, guys.
There's an actual dude named Pecker. No!
Give me back my stick, Crystal. Okay, give me back my stick. Give it. I'm trying to fix the mustache.
Alright, Tyler, we'll take a picture.
Can I see it? I really don't have to smile.
Oh, to the other. Oh. There. You put that on YouTube? I can see it.
It's highly possible.
But I'm in it.
Yes.
Here you go.
Hey Tyler, do some bird stuff.
Pick some people.
Don't have sex, please.
I want to be that kind of bird.
Don't shoot your white stuff all over the place.
I can spit. Are you fitting tape? Where? Are you fitting tape?